Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assist. Today's video is based on how to create a Gmail account on your device. So in order to create a Gmail account, first you need to go to a web browser, and here on top there's a search bar, type account.google.com/signup. Now if you're having confusion with the link, I will leave the link on the description box. So on the other page there is create your Google account. So under it there is your first name, so you need to enter your first name. And after that there is last name, so enter your last name. So under it there is your username, so you need to create a username for a gmail.com. so either you can select it from down there or you can enter your own. So after that there is your password, so you need to create a new password. So in order to confirm you need to retype your password. So once you're done entering your information, now tap on next, which is right in the bottom. So on the other page you need to enter your information once again. You can enter your phone number or it is optional as well, but it would be more convenient if you enter your phone number as well. And down there is a recovery email address. So in case if you lose your account or in case you forgot your password, so a link or a password will be sent on a recovery email address. So enter your recovery email address, and after that down there is a date of birth, so you need to enter your correct date of birth. So after that there is gender. So in order to select your gender, go towards your right hand side corner and there is an arrow icon, tap on it. So under it there are different options, so tap on the gender, and after that tap on the next, which is right in the bottom. Now on the other page there is privacy and terms. Now scroll down and then go through it properly and only then tap on I agree. So on the other page there is manage your info, privacy and security to make Google work better for you. So on the same page, move towards your right hand side corner and right on top beside your user ID there is an option, tap on the Google app, and under it you need to tap on Gmail. So here as you can see that I'm logged in, which means that my Gmail ID or a Google account has been created. And this is how you can create a Gmail ID on your device. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.